So we're here in Rojas intersecting Laurel. No? So this is yung chicken house building that has been destroyed by the recent earthquake. Tingnan mo yun. Grabe yung pagkabagsak. Wait natin yung pag-alis ng mga sasakyan. So this is yung intersection mismo ng two big roads, no, right at the center of the city. Surprisingly, yung mga small establishments here, yung mga karinderya, wala namang damage. So dito lang sa chicken house yung matindi na damage. Ito see, no? Tingnan natin yung pag-alis ng ayan, alis yung mga sakyan. So this is chicken house since 1983. Grabe pagkagamit. Today is the arrival of PBBM ata sa plaza. Ang daming mga pulis. Yung harap na structure is okay naman. So this is yung structure na bagsak talaga, oh. Favorite place namin to, yung chicken house, the home of Jensen's original garlic chicken. Marami kaming orders dito. Sad. Another business icon ng Jensen. This is yung intersection. On the left side, andyan yung mga PSWD, mga police, no? Preparing for the arrival of PBBM daw. Ayan.